Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You are watching All Around Gamer. Today we are doing another tutorial on how to use photopea. You might be wondering, why are we doing a tutorial exactly? Even though this is a gaming channel. Well, first off, depends. So sometimes I use two different apps to make thumbnails. So I'm going to show you how I make thumbnails using photopea. All right, and then if you'd like, I could show you the other one I use to make thumbnails. All right, there's two different ways to make thumbnails here. All right, so the first thing that you do if you want to use photopea as well is you're going to go to New Project, and this might have to be in a two-part series because I only have a 10 time limit. Was that? I don't know. Anyways, but when you get here and you press create new project, so you will have a create option, and then you could choose a background, the height, width, and then the name. So if you want like a template already that's already built and stuff, you just have to edit it yourself, you can do that right over here. And then but we're gonna create our own, so it's the new projects already highlighted, so just click backspace. And then I'm just gonna name it what we're doing. So we're gonna do how to make that does not say make thumbnails using photopea. Yep, we're good. It's already set to the thumbnail height and stuff like that. We're going to set the background to transparent, and we're going to create. So since I'm doing photopea, so yeah, I'm going to make the thumbnail that I'm going to use for this video. So yeah, so the thumbnail that I'm making now is the thumbnail that you saw before you clicked into this video. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is, so since I'm doing photopea, I want to get the logo of photopea on the thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do is, or what you do, whatever, I've already done it. But what you do is you would go to a different tab, look up whatever you're looking for. Make sure it's a PNG. That is very important. It has to be a PNG. All right. And if you don't know PNG kind of looks like this. Like I'll have the picture in the background will look like this, but it doesn't work for all pictures. Some pictures that are like this, if you do the PNG, you'll get the background with it, and you don't want that. Okay, you just want to make sure you get the background. Alright, so yeah, let's say you have already gotten your picture. It's a PNG, and you've already gotten it, and you want to put it onto the thumbnail. So you go over up here to File. Alright, and then there's two ways you use. You could do open in place, which is where you pick something that's already in your laptop, desktop, whatever you're using, and you could pick a picture there. Alright, and then there's open from URL, which is if you copy the image URL, you would do that, which I copied the image URL. So I'm going to go to open from URL. I'm going to enter the URL, which I have not done that. So I'm going to go get the picture that I was talking about that I thought I got, but I didn't get it. So I'm going to go get that picture real quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys, alright? Okay, so I have gotten the picture I was talking about. So I'm going to go to URL, and I'm press Control V, now put it in, and now right now new project is highlighted, meaning I would create a new project, and that is something you want to make sure you are not doing. You want to press current project, alright? And sometimes that does happen. Sometimes the pictures are not responsive, or sometimes you just have to pick a big one. It's really no biggie or anything like that. So all you have to do is just pick a big one, or not pick a big one, pick a different one than the one you picked, and say, I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did pick a different one this time, and I'm hoping that this one works. So I'm going to go over to File, which the first one that I picked, I have a feeling I know why it didn't work, because I did one where it was like one where the pixels were like 1,200 by like 1,000 or something like that. This one is in the hundred, so this one is smaller smaller than what I did before. Current project. And you see that right there is what it looks like, right? So we have, John, hold. Let me do this once. Alright, let's try that again. I'm going to go File, Open from URL. I think it's already there, Control V. I did not press Current Project. Okay. We're going to do File, Open from URL. Make sure it's correct. I didn't put anything in. File, Open from URL. You're going to put in the current project. Then this is what it looks like. Yeah, which technically no. Okay, well, it seems like this picture. I know this works because I have actually done this before. I haven't made this thumbnail, but I have actually made a thumbnail using that thing, but not for this video or anything like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go figure this out. I'll get back to you guys, alright? Okay, well, I did end up getting on here, but I didn't like the look of it, so I did a different one. And what I ended up doing this time and seeing if it worked better this time is I saved it. So instead of doing the open from URL, I'm going to do open in place. And then there will be a whole bunch of choices I could pick from that are all in my files. But I'm only going to pick the one that's up here, the photopea logo. So I'm going to click the photopea logo, open. And there you go. See, and now it's on here as the photopea logo. Which I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. And something that you guys don't see, but I can, is that this inside right here, the spiral on the logo is meant to be black. So what I'm going to do to make that logo black is get a black background, and I am going to put that underneath of the logo, and we're going to see how that looks. Because I'm running out of time, I'm just going to be back whenever I do that, and then I'll explain how I did it and how you could do that as well. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have finally finished. It took me a little bit because most of the backgrounds I were working didn't actually work. So, but I finally found one. And also, as you could tell, yeah, you could see the edges right there of the black are sticking out. But no worries, I will fix that. But I unfortunately will not be able to see that. But I will show you something else. So instead of just having that, I want to add some text at the top, or at the top and then at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is go to text, and then I'm going to type in what I want to say in place, which I'll be right back because I think you guys are actually the way. Okay, you might actually be in the way. Why do I have to check? So anyways, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, how'd you get there? I'm kidding. Yeah, you guys were in the way a little bit, but that's cool. So I'm gonna go to text. Okay, and I'm just gonna add some text right there. Alright. Well, it's loading there, I guess. Alright, so, and then I want the text to say, which actually, before I write, I'm gonna go to the size, make it big, and it's how, okay, how to use, and then I'm gonna move this a little bit, like here, and so yeah, but I'm gonna finish this, of course. So you're gonna see the whole entire video, yeah. But the only thing you're not gonna see is like the rest of it, because since this is as far as I got, I'll probably just add like a background, and I'll probably just add a background, and then add some words at the bottom. Then that will probably just be the rest of the thumbnail. But I'm gonna still show you the process. I'm still gonna move this over a little bit, and this is a little bit too big actually. Move it down just a bit. Wait, hold up. Okay, we're gonna Nope, middle will not work. And yep, we're just gonna keep it like this.